Hey everybody, it's vintage stylist Dianna Prince, and I'm here today with
Brittney J.
And she's modeling in a beautiful dress from Atomic Jane Clothing. And I wanted to show you guys this because she's going to be in a fashion show here in Las Vegas for Atomic Jane Clothing on March 29th. So today she's doing her wardrobe test. I think she looks fabulous in this. I love the print, of course. I love the pattern, the style, the scarf, the belt, everything I've matched her up with. She looks wonderful. She looks beautiful. And I want everybody to check out their website, atomicjaneclothing.com.